Hi there, I'm Ronnie Russell from Jaguar Drivers Club Scotland. We're at the Jaguar Breakfast Club event at the Riverside Transport Museum in Glasgow. The day is just about by. The good news is we've actually got the winner today of the best show exhibit on the Jaguar Drivers Club Scotland stand. This is the Macmillan Jaguar Trophy, as you can see there, donated by Ali Macmillan from Macmillan Jaguar Motherwell. Anton has this absolute stunning car. It's an XJS. What year is it, Anton?
It's 1981.
So 1981. What size of engine?
It's got the 5.3 V12 in it. So it's done 3,800 miles.
Wow.
I don't know if you heard that, Peter, but this car has done
3,800 miles.
3,800 miles.
Gosh.
Now, we never came across one with such a low mileage, and one that's absolutely so immaculate. That was the colour of the day. It was very fashionable. The XJS is a stunning car, made very famous through various television programmes. How long have you had it for, Anton?
I've had it for 3 years.
Anton's had it for 3 years. And how do you like driving it? Do you use it much?
I don't.
You don't, just take it to shows?
Just take it to shows, yeah.
Right.
But the last time I actually transported it here, but today, because of the good weather, I says I would drive it.
Drive it, right. Well, that's the thing about classic cars. If you look after them, they look after themselves. Could we possibly see under the bonnet?
Of course we can.
I know what you're waiting on, Peter. You're waiting on the grill.
Yeah. I'm just wondering which way the bonnet opens. There we go.
What way does it go? What do you reckon?
That's it.
Up the way. Are we okay? There we are.
Ah.
Well, as you can see by the engine, the XJS, it's one huge lump of an engine, right? Now, funny enough, on a lot of the cars we've actually taken videos of and shown cars, you see the cars, and outside the car is absolutely immaculate. You go to the engine compartment and wow, it's like a nightmare. It's never been cleaned, never been touched, because people are frightened to clean them and hose them and all the rest in case they upset all the various bits. This one is actually extremely nice and clean compared to what we've seen in the past.
No, I've never cleaned it.
You've never cleaned it? Well, see, it's probably because it's had such a low mileage.
It's original, isn't it?
And if it's not been out with the wind and the rain, then it's not been getting abused, so to speak. But when you look at it, that's absolutely lovely.
3,600 miles from new.
Could you possibly start it up for us, Anton, and we'll have a wee feel from how she goes.
Absolutely gorgeous.
You like it?
Oh yes.
Isn't it?
I like that kind of.
Right. That's nice and sweet.
Oh, it's lovely,
I
isn't
wonder
it?
what we're going to get. Wow.
Sounds lovely, doesn't it?
Sounds lovely, doesn't it? That's incredible to have a car of that year with such a Now, I think you'll see Anton in his hand has got something he wants to show you, right? That is actually the
original service coupons.
Henley's, London. Oh, there you go. So what's that date on there? Is there a date on there? Henley's of London. Doesn't have to have a date, does it?
No, we don't have a date on it.
So they were issued
These are
new.
These are from new, right? These are with the original Jaguar service coupons.
Very good.
Anton, we'll look in the book because I think you've got a few interesting interesting stuff.
I'll just have a look in the interior around.
The inside.
John Lincoln, who was charged last night, and officers put on an extra skip last night and arrested a man who was then taken to
2 plus 2, V12. Nice big boot, very
Nice
deep.
big boot. Now look, this is what Anton was showing me, right? Have a look.
These are the original
Original car
covers for
seats.
the, covers for the when mechanics were
Very good.
TDI in it probably.
There's a few other receipts in there from
Lots of
times gone by. But it's quite
memorabilia.
surprising the size of the boot in it. I
Yes,
didn't
it's very
expect.
deep.
I didn't expect the
These
boot
are
to
the
be as deep
original
as that.
letters when
clubs in there. Four sets of golf clubs in there.
Oh yeah, 4 sets of golf clubs in there, no problem.
Yeah.
this is how much the fuel was back in the day for it. £15
To fill it up,
probably.
probably.
And this is what you get
There's an offer from the past,
from ESO.
from Esso.
So.
There you go.
Oh dear.
There you go, there's the history of the car. You've heard the car running. You probably want to go round the outside,
Yeah.
The original A
show off the
handbook.
shape.
1980. 81.
This is the original super cover for Jaguar Cars Limited.
Got all the paperwork for it.
Gorgeous, absolutely. And 100 miles an hour and it's not moved a wheel.
Yes.
This original super cover. Oh, this is for the Z-Bar back in 1981. Then 2081 when it was Z-Barted.
You like it then?
Oh yeah, I remember him at one of our old customers and he was a jeweller in town.
Right.
Well-known jeweller in Glasgow.
Do you have one as well?
He had one
This is
bought
the-
this and he says, oh, let's see that.
Finally Central London membership cards. The original. No, this is it. The membership cards
Hey.
and super cover.
Is that a toolkit there?
Oh no, that's the
Handbook
original handbook.
and the toolkit. Oh, look at that toolkit. Very good.
I know. What was it?
So what does the HE stand for?
High efficiency.
High efficiency. V12
V12 XJS.
XJS. And that's the trophy you've won
This is the profit one for the day.
for the best car of the show.
Yes, that was the best car of the show on the Jaguar Drivers Club Scotland Club stand. An absolute beauty, such a low mileage, 1981, wow, it certainly stood the test of time. It's been cherished, it's been loved, and that's what we like to see. People come to events and that's what this type of car we're looking for, something, a blast from the past that just looks like it's just came out the showroom. So,
Yeah.
Anton, thank you very much for
Thank
showing
you
us the
very
car.
Thank you, Anton. Cheers.
Close the bonnet and you'll get the all round pictures of the car. Got the shot last night. Solid.